Hi, this video I'm going to show you how you can follow accounts on Threads. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So following accounts on Threads is one of the best ways to build a community or interact with your fellow creators on this social media platform. To follow an account, just tap on any account that you wish to follow. For instance, this, just tap on it and you should see next to it we have an option to follow. I'll go ahead and tap on follow, and here we shall have more suggestions that I can follow as well. Should you feel that you have other accounts you wish to follow, proceed and follow them, and then finally tap on done. That is the first way, and now I'm now following this account. Now another way or another alternative to follow accounts on Threads is just to go on top here and tap on the search icon, and here search for the name of the account. So this will apply if you know the specific account you want to follow. For instance, if I want to follow Meta, I just tap here Meta, and you can see we have Meta account here. If I tap on it, now I have an option to follow the account when I just tap on follow, and now I'm following this account. So that's how you can follow accounts on Threads. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.